today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new salad sandwich prep tables. Okay, this is going to be an all stainless steel unit. Brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot, as you can see here on the front. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this unit out for you. I'll measure exterior as well as interior dimensions for the unit. Starting with the length, we're looking at a total of 27 inches, front to back. You're looking at a total of 29.5 inches. And the overall height of this sandwich prep table, you're looking at 42 inches. Okay, now the unit does have casters already installed, as you can see on the bottom. Makes it easier for use. Now, measurements on those casters wheels, you're looking at 5 inches. Okay, so that's going to be the measurements for this unit. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open up the lid here on the front and show you the inside. On the inside, you will be provided with these 1/6 pans, okay, provided with the sandwich prep table. You have a total of 8 pans for this unit. That's going to be the measurements and the pans. Now, I want to go ahead and show you the back of the unit. On the back, we have our plug. It is a standard US plug. Also on the back, we have our controller. So this is where your refrigerator, once the unit is on and running, it'll display your temperature. You can also set your temperature on that same controller. Okay, so that's going to be located on the back of this prep table. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside. Open up this door here, which is going to be an automatic closing door. I'm going to go ahead and open up all the way and show you the inside. On the inside, you can see there is a shelf provided as well, already included. Okay, also we have our thermometer on the inside, and on the other side we have a sticker with all the specs regarding this prep table as well as certification. Okay, so this prep table is going to be certified, approved by health department. Okay, lastly, I want to give you the inside measurements for the unit. Front to back, total is 18 inches. Left to right, total is 24 inches. Overall height on the inside, total of 24 inches. Okay, so those are your inside measurements for this prep table. And that's going to be a little demonstration on this unit. Now, if you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.